Schedule a free design consultation, and the more you buy, the more you'll save on blinds, shades, shutters, and more from Budget Blinds. Visit budgetblinds.com today.
8 youth between the ages of 13 to 17 face various charges after RCMP stopped a stolen vehicle on Wednesday. Following a routine traffic stop, the vehicle the youth were driving did not stop. It was found later in a ditch on 75th Avenue. The youth fled from police and hid in various garages and yards in the area. The 6 youth caught are from Onion Lake, Frog Lake, Moody Lake, and Sika Nation. All the youth face charges of possession of stolen property over $5,000, resisting arrest, and assault with a weapon. Lloydminster and Onion Lake RCMP have recovered 2 stolen vehicles and keys to a side-by-side. Police are on the lookout for a silver 2002 Dodge Dakota 4-door 2-wheel drive with a rear window covered by clear poly. If anyone has information on this incident or the whereabouts of the vehicle, you're asked to call Lloydminster RCMP at 780-808-8400. Every year, the Lloydminster Chamber of Commerce chooses issues plaguing the border city to lobby before the provincial governments. 4 resolutions are picked for the public policy direction this year.
Among the several policies that are listed, we choose the ones to focus on that will greatly affect the community the most.
The 4 focuses this year include photo speed enforcement in Saskatchewan, pushing for signage and routes for drivers trucking dangerous goods through the city to go around the perimeter, as Alberta pays for all policing through grants in Lloydminster. Funding from the Saskatchewan government is requested, as well fair and equitable funding for timely healthcare services in Lloydminster and area. Parsons says all these issues are important, but healthcare services are still the most underfunded.
The biggest thing, it was nice to see the catchment area get recognized because it was extremely frustrating to push what we actually need for funding when they weren't recognizing Lloydminster as a whole and our region, what we service.
For more information on the Chamber's policies or to get involved, visit their website at lloydminsterchamber.com. A new organization in Lloydminster is looking for community members to donate time and money in a unique way.
Well, I think it's hugely powerful.
Rob Anderson, co-founder of the 100 Men Club, was inspired by similar groups in Calgary and Edmonton. The idea is that 100 men and women meet 4 times a year for 1 hour and choose a local charity or nonprofit organization. Then every person writes a $100 check to that organization. Since this is done 4 times a year, the group donates a total of $40,000 per year.
And that's what I think is really great about this, is you don't have to have deep pockets or anything to be a member of this. You know, if you can donate the 4 hours and the $400, you know, to me it can be hugely beneficial, very powerful, very rewarding for sure.
Local charities are selected to make a brief presentation, and the club votes on who will receive the money at that meeting.
When you have a room full of men with tears in their eyes, you know that that donation has been very beneficial and has made a powerful statement.
Now, the club is still in the process of recruiting their first 100 members. And if you're interested, you can register at 100menlloyd.com.